So little Bluebell's going home tomorrow. We've got Helen riding it. But what we've decided to do today, so we did ride up the road yesterday, and this is Helen's greatest worry, is riding this little horsey out on the road. So I said, well, why don't we go back to something that she quite likes doing, which is actually the tractor work. So here we are doing a little bit with the tractor running. She doesn't particularly, I mean, she can target this noisy vehicle if she wants, but she's just getting clicked and treated really for just being really calm about this. You know, there's no panic in here, she's no galloping off. She's really into this, which is nice. So it was a way to give Helen the confidence that she can kind of do some stuff out on the road when she goes home, regardless of whether she rides her or stops through the winter or anything else. The mare very often wants to come to me, which is always a little bit difficult. She's got her eye on me, and I think that's possibly what she wants to do now. Excellent. So, I'm now trundling about in the tractor. So we're going to just see how, content or otherwise, little lady is with my trundling around her. That's very good. That's really good. So I've just slowed down the gear, so I've gone into low box so that I've just slowed the pace of the tractor down a little bit. Need to make sure I look where I'm going. Oh, she's so brave these days. She's so brave. You are. Hi, Bluebell. You target my phone? Good. Right, I'm going to just move off. So I've just moved off. We're just going to see how little lady feels about this. Really very, very good. Oh, she's so clever. She's so clever. So take her to that target, Helen. So I'm just going to keep moving.